Ubak Prestone tansong sembut menteri rang ba kajala bakmi ekatat kampu ing hakas ngi pale ula pentep ahing dorbar baga jingbu eka fire service Mawryngkneng kadang ya eka jingpan kre. Haba juba pakakanta kali jingkali. Ubak Prestone ulong basisin beladap kajing IT kajaka cakanal pulit. Kajingpan kre bante kene kajingte kan sasdang no. Ulai tu baka jingtit eka jaka. Kala jandap artat batkam cemladon setia kano kasaskular belete bekitra jaka. Ubak Prestone ula kularu ban bisyar kajing ajing mut jungu MLA ka TMC nanong thamai ubak Charles Pengrup. Halor kajing bu iki kali penlipding haki babun ki jaka bakin kloy haki ban ajing syakri habadon kano kajing pluding.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 82. Sir, the matter is under process.
Bakar Prime, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home, why is the process of establishing the fire service being delayed?
Sir, there are so many reasons, in fact, which leading to, I should say, maybe undue delay. Number one, the reason is because of the land acquisition process. It takes a lot of time. And of course, now I'm happy to inform the honourable member that the land acquisition process is almost completed. Now we are in the stage of notification 19.1, section 19.1, and thereafter, maybe after maximum after 2 or 3 months, the land can be taken over by the government for necessary infrastructure creation over there.
So, has the government paid